In today's travel adventure, we will continue our exploration through another iconic South Dakota destination, Badlands National Park. In part 1 of our full-day adventure, we stopped at a few of the most popular overlooks along the Badland Scenic Byway. Surrounded by grassy prairies, the park is the largest of its kind in the United States and consists of rocky, eroded pinnacles and buttes that suddenly appear on the flat landscape. In today's video, we will primarily focus on hiking trails within the park. We will start with the 5-mile Castle Trail. Next is the Ben Reifel Visitor Center, followed by the Notch Trail. And finally, we will wrap up our Badlands tour with the short and sweet window and door trails. Sit back and enjoy the views.
Okay, we just did the Fossil Trail. Now we're going to head on to the Castle Trail / Notch Trail. Pretty beautiful here, though. And just in case you weren't sure, we are in backcountry. Get a fair amount of rain yesterday. We're close to the Ben Reifel Visitor Center. Even though I don't want to get bit, I do want to see a rattlesnake. Yeah. Oh, these are cactus are prettier than the other ones I shot. They have flowers on them. Oh, is that pretty? Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Oh, that's nice.
It is just so quiet out here, other than the road crews that are paving that parking lot. But it's beautiful. Couldn't ask for a better day.
On top of this little, there's a cactus growing on top of it. Did you see that?
Yeah, right up there.
Look at that. How the heck did that happen? That's cool.
Bless you. Wow.
Turn around, let me get a shot of you.
Welcome to the Ben Reifel Visitor Center at Badlands National Park. And look at this amazing backdrop to this visitor center here. Wow. Such a vast and gorgeous landscape. All right, let's make our way into the visitor center. I'm not too sure if they're gonna let me film inside, so this might be a picture slideshow. But they're supposed to have some amazing souvenirs here, and they are open 9 to 5. Alright, so of course the Badlands are known for dramatic vistas, fossil resources, and prairie wilderness. So now we're going to go take a look inside here, see what it has to offer. Alright guys, this is the Notch hiking trail at the Badlands. It's the one with the famous ladder that we have to climb up. And this trail is 1.5 miles long.
The trail is so pretty. Oh, I think I see the Notch trail right up there.
Just mind-blowing here. And this is the direction we just came from, right over here. Here's the famous Notch trail.
Is it going down? I told them to go on. Sure, go down. I told them stop. Sorry.
Okay.
This is coming down.
It keeps going on, look. Okay, just finished the Notch Trail. Now we're going to go on the Window Trail. Here we go. Now this one's going to be pretty easy trail. It shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, this is it. You just walk this way. Okay, so we just left the Window Trail over there, which was a beautiful overlook. And now we are heading over to the Door Trail, which is right along this boardwalk. Thank you for watching today's adventure to Badlands National Park, and stay tuned for more adventures from around South Dakota.